We have hope to win the match, like 4 years after. So I think we're going to win. But if we lose against Italy, it doesn't matter. It's fine. It's a good team, I think.
Spain is better. Italy.
Loba 50-50, ma fiduċu zafna fil-Italja. Fiduċu zafna. Levaġa x-Taljan, tinjaġa x-rajtu kif labalaħa ġiġlob. Għanna ċans kbir, għanna ċans kbir. Ma l-Italja paless għandu ċaġa differenti. Jekk nżerta Balotelli ġejbda pal-laħa loba kontra Ġermaniż, specialmente, ma nix ċans. Mandomx ċans.
We're just sorry that England's out of it, but I think because we're in Malta, we'll go for Italy. Spain might just get it. They might get the 3 matches that they want to actually get the titles.
I think Spain as well. Yeah.
Jena supporter tal-Ingliżi, però fl-opinjoni tiegħi Spanja kienu wieħed mit-tim favoriti. L-Italja mhix daqshekk, u ħafna minn qed jgħidlek li kienu fortunati u hekk.
I think it will be Spain. Because the Spanish people is much closer to the Russian than the Italian. So.
Italy.
Hopefully Spain. We have very good teams, you know, but Spain and Italy, they played very well against Germany. But I think Spain will win tonight.
L-Italja għandhom iżjed vantaġġ u karizma l-lejla.
Fl-opinjoni tiegħi l-logħba ħad tkun logħba qalila li fiha iż-żewġ timijiet ħajuru l-potenzjal tagħhom.